In 2026, audience trust is worth more than viral views because views are easier to get than belief. A video can explode for a day, a week, maybe even a month. But trust is what makes people come back, listen again, buy again, and believe you when it actually matters. Recent 2026 reporting across the creator and media space shows the market shifting away from vanity metrics and toward loyalty, credibility, and real business impact. That is the first big reason trust matters more now. Viral views create awareness, but trust creates action. A million people can watch a clip and forget you tomorrow. A much smaller audience that genuinely trusts you can drive sales, referrals, subscriptions, memberships, repeat purchases, and long term loyalty. Current 2026 influencer marketing coverage says brands are increasingly prioritizing conversions, assisted conversions, revenue attribution, and long term impact over raw reach alone. Another reason trust is worth more than views is that the internet is flooded with content. In a world full of infinite posts, AI generated media, recycled opinions, and attention tricks, being seen is no longer rare, being believed is rare. Reuters Institute's 2026 Trends Report says audiences are gravitating toward content that feels human, expert, and trustworthy, which is a strong signal that credibility is becoming more valuable as content abundance grows. This is also why smaller creators are becoming more powerful. A niche creator with a loyal audience may get fewer views than a huge influencer, but those views often mean more. They carry more weight, more trust, and more influence over actual decisions. Multiple 2026 sources point to deeper authenticity, stronger loyalty, and smaller but more invested communities outperforming mass reach in many situations. Brands are noticing this too. In 2026, they are under more pressure to prove return on investment, so empty reach is becoming less attractive. A creator who drives trust can support better brand recall, more natural product integration, and stronger long term partnerships than someone who only delivers random spikes of attention. Current 2026 influencer marketing reporting says the strongest performing programs are built on ongoing relationships, not one off bursts of visibility. Another big reason trust matters more is conversion. Viral views are often broad and shallow. Trust based audiences are often smaller and deeper. That means the second group is more likely to click, buy, join, reply, share, and stick around. In 2026, marketers are increasingly judging creator value by business outcomes, not just audience size. That is why trust has become a commercial asset, not just a nice personal brand quality. There is also a cultural reason behind this shift. Audiences are getting better at spotting performance over polish and fake authenticity. They can tell when content is optimized for attention but not grounded in anything real. Several 2026 sources argue that authenticity is outperforming automation and that people want perspective, context, and accountability, not just perfectly packaged content. And AI is making this even more obvious. As AI makes content easier and cheaper to produce, content itself becomes less scarce. When supply goes up, the value of raw output goes down. What becomes more valuable instead is trust, voice, judgment, and the sense that a real human stands behind the message. That is one reason 2026 commentary keeps pointing to trust as the real differentiator in an AI heavy internet. This is why audience trust now beats viral views in actual business terms. Trust supports subscriptions, trust supports memberships, trust supports community, trust supports product recommendations, trust supports long term brand deals. Viral views can open the door, but trust is what gets people to stay in the room. Inference. In 2026, trust is functioning like infrastructure for monetization, while views are increasingly just top of funnel attention. That inference is strongly supported by sources describing influence as trust infrastructure and loyalty as the real growth driver. Of course, viral views are not useless. They can still create awareness, discovery, and momentum. But awareness without trust is fragile. It can disappear as fast as it arrived. Trust compounds, it grows over time, strengthens with consistency, and becomes harder for competitors to copy. That is why so many creators and brands in 2026 are shifting from chasing reach at any cost to building credibility that lasts. So, why is audience trust now worth more than viral views? Because views are temporary, but trust compounds. Because trust drives conversions, not just impressions. Because smaller, loyal audiences often outperform bigger, passive ones. Because brands now care more about measurable impact than vanity metrics. And because in a crowded AI driven internet, belief is rarer than attention. The big shift is this: in 2026, the internet is making attention cheaper and trust more expensive. That is why audience trust is now worth more than viral views. Viral reach may make you visible, but trust is what makes you valuable.